Hello and welcome to your IELTS review video. In today's video we're talking about street markets, so let's get started. Are there many street markets in your country? You could say yes, there are several street markets in my country. They're quite popular among locals. Or indeed, street markets are a common sight in my country, offering a vibrant and bustling shopping experience. What is the difference between street markets and supermarkets? Street markets are outdoor markets where vendors sell various goods, while supermarkets are indoor stores that offer a wide range of products. A far more advanced answer is street markets are open-air setups where vendors offer their goods, often a more traditional and interactive setting. In contrast, supermarkets are indoor retail establishments that provide a comprehensive selection of items under one roof. What do street markets sell? Street markets sell a variety of items, such as fresh produce, clothing, accessories, and even street food. Street markets offer a diverse array of merchandise, ranging from fresh fruit and vegetables to clothing, handicrafts, and culinary delights. What do people usually buy at street markets? People typically buy fruits, vegetables, and snacks. Or you could say visitors to street markets often purchase locally sourced fruits, vegetables, street food delicacies, and unique handicrafts. Do many people go to street markets in your country? Yes, street markets are very popular, especially on weekends. Or absolutely, street markets draw a significant crowd, particularly during weekends and holidays, contributing to a lively atmosphere. Do you like going to street markets? Yes, I enjoy visiting street markets as they offer a unique shopping experience. You could instead say, I derive pleasure from exploring street markets due to the distinctive shopping ambience and the chance to discover local treasures. Or, do you often go to supermarkets? Yes, I visit supermarkets regularly for my grocery shopping. Or you can say, I'm a frequent visitor to supermarkets as they are convenient and a comprehensive range of products. That's all the questions. Next up, we have our reading passage. Please read along with me as it's intended to give you more insight into the topic at hand. Street markets have deep historical roots that trace back to ancient civilizations. They have served as vital centers of trade and social interaction. These markets reflect the cultural diversity of a region, showcasing traditional crafts, clothing, and culinary delights. The stalls are filled with vibrant textiles, intricate jewelry, and regional specialities. Street markets offer a diverse range of goods, catering to a wide spectrum of needs. And visitors can find fresh produce, artisanal crafts, clothing, accessories, and electronics. Street markets foster a sense of community and interaction among vendors and customers. The informal setting encourages conversations, haggling, and storytelling, and buyers can connect with sellers at a more personal level. Food stalls are a prominent feature of street markets, offering local dishes. Visitors can experience the gastronomic landscape of the region, sampling these treats in a delightful way to immerse oneself in local culture. They can reach a broader audience while preserving their unique charm. Street markets have embraced modern technologies like mobile payment systems and online marketing. This adaptation allows traditional markets to thrive in the digital age. Street markets attract tourists seeking authentic experiences and unique souvenirs. This influx of visitors contributes to the local economy, and small businesses thrive in this vibrant tourism ecosystem. Street markets showcase traditional crafts and locally sourced products. They contribute to preservation of cultural heritage. By supporting local artisans and producers, they promote sustainable practices. Right, I hope you found that insightful. Next up is a range of vocab and expressions that I want you to take and incorporate into your everyday language use. Street market, vendor, stall, goods, merchandise, merchants, products, artisanal crafts, souvenirs, culinary delights, fresh produce, handcrafted items, wares, haggling, bargaining. Cultural diversity, heritage, traditional crafts, local specialities, ethnic clothing, cultural exchange, regional flavors, gastronomic landscape. Social interaction, community engagement, conversations, connecting with sellers, personalized experience, informal setting, storytelling, shared experiences, gathering. Tourism attraction, authentic experience, visitor influx, local economy, small businesses, flourishing markets, souvenir shopping, economic contribution. Digital age, modern technology, mobile payment system, online marketing, e-commerce integration, innovation in markets, inconvenience and accessibility. Right, I hope you found that useful. And lastly for today, we have our paraphrasing exercises. Please have a go at putting some of these in your own words. Are there many street markets in your country? Instead, you could say, are street markets prevalent in your nation? What do people usually buy at street markets? What are the typical purchases made by individuals in street markets? Or, how often do you take photos? Street markets offer a unique blend of culture, commerce, and community interaction. Instead, you say street markets provide an unparalleled amalgamation of culture and trade and communal engagement. This cultural diversity showcased in street markets reflects the rich heritage of the region. Instead, you could say the wide array of cultures represented in the street market mirrors the region's profound legacy. And lastly, the paraphrasing descriptions. I wish you luck with those. So I wish you goodbye. I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.